Right.
And Salika Kamburaki in the VTFM. If you have data on your phone, we are live on our Facebook page. You can catch us live this morning. And we say a big bulunaka to all the drivers who are on the roads. And budi bito ka na mataka di vinga rabani kuwa. Sama chuma na bagam singa as palong show and banaka Illinois and banaka Dems.
Yan banaka. Why are we communicate Sarah Maramatina saying good morning to all the mothers out there that are tuning in this morning. Today's weather it's a bit different.
Whoa.
So it's very important for us mothers to always keep our children warm, especially when they go to school. They are total review.
Cardigan.
Right. Cardigan, so that to keep them warm, socks as well, to keep them warm in this weather, so that they do not get sick.
Will be great.
Tutubi heavy. And all the students as well, please be very careful when you are walking on the road.
Right.
You have to be very mindful. Don't play as you walk on the side of the road.
Thank you.
Right.
To all the drivers out there, thank you very much for your hospitality.
Right.
Thank you very much for the safe driving.
Right.
We passengers, we just wake up about like to 6 o'clock. Then we are ready. Then come to the bus stop or where we stand. No, the driver, they woke up at 4. Then boom, boom, boom.
Right.
And after that they come. They what? They boom, boom, boom. Right. Kata-kata ng basi, kata-kata ng motoka, sarang kay ngutuan may. And imagine, if they have in a good mood, somebody just enter and make the driver in a bad mood.
Right.
Remember, he is a driver. He control your movement from one place to another in a public transport.
Right.
Don't let your neighbor hate you or you hate your neighbor. If you love
Don't
them,
let the driver moodless.
moodless. If you know this time is a good time, and I'm going to mataka, maraw. Greet in a happy manner. Greet in the way we know to greet someone. If we start a good morning, the whole day will be good. If you good to your neighbor will good to your friend.
Right.
Your neighbor and a process and laka
And also to us ladies, to us mothers, the wives, when our husband is at work doing a very difficult job, it's very important for us to not don't tell them very what so bimbi because it will affect their work. Wait for them to come back home, or if it's an emergency if it is an emergency, then you tell them in a very proper manner. Not to affect their work.
Right.
Okay, don't taro naman ni kuha.
Come.
Okay, Dems and Eleanor, sometimes ladies tattoo their boyfriend's name on them.
Oh yeah.
Likewise, the boys, the names of their girlfriend tattooed on their body.
Their initial.
Why is that?
They want to show their loyalty. That is one sign of showing loyalty.
Loyalty.
What's your opinion on that?
Some they want to follow the adults what they do in the past.
Right.
Some just want to tattoo. They just want dot.
Right.
Some they write their name there so that the boyfriend knew, this is good for me.
It's also very risky because what if you and your boyfriend break up or break up, and then you moved on to the next, and what will happen to the name on your chest?
Leave the name there, and one day we call for anniversary.
Okay.
Let's put our hands together. This is our back in time.
Rewind.
Iko bondo na pakasamaya si Tabanumray. This is an open.
Myself. Loyalty just not come by
tattooing.
Pen.
Right.
Or tattooing.
Right.
Or song.
Right.
Or serkali poem. Or anything.
Right.
Loyalty is coming. Senin daw lauray na loyalty.
Okay.
You can say you are loyal to your
partner.
Right. But in secretly, if you write your name here, if you write your girlfriend or your
write your girlfriend's or your wife's name, you still can
Boo.
Yes.
It's different.
Right.
Because we are still human beings.
Right.
Sometimes we romba
Right.
and
Are you trying to
no, because we know
testify?
sometimes what happened in our life is this. For like may baka nanumi.
Right.
Yeah.
Isa kirobi tala tuwat kika.
In memory of.
Yeah, sometimes when we marry someone whose name is there.
What is it still doing there?
What is it? Some
Right.
people they undercover tanggatal nila ke another name or another design so that it can cover.
Right.
But past is past.
Yeah, din sa.
So maybe for historical moment.
Purposes.
Yeah, maybe na ito, right? But some of us can weigh that lightly. Some do tara saraman bimbi.
Yeah, di na.
Depending on who we are.
Yeah.
Right.
Some people they can
Yes.
withstand
Right.
that name on your.
Please stand up, take off the t-shirt,
Yeah.
and show the viewers how many names at the back. Stand up now. Stand up now.
Langit tinatali.
Ningkara na kina when tos tiga puna.
Some thought that they were going to last.
Yeah.
So rano masarang ni Sunday sarang ko bakan dua
Yeah.
till death do us part. And then something happened in between.
Di na sara.
A weakness,
Yeah.
Takos na tewaro, and it broke their relationship.
Sala nga hindi na. Yeah, Rebecca from the hospital of Samu
Right.
to Robert and Polly. Thank you very much for joining this morning.
Ali, you
they
have
just
to
want
tattoo the name on your forehead.
Yeah.
one of my uncle.
Yeah.
One of my kalau na mga de calculate at 300. This one divide here.
Yeah.
1 plus here. 1 minus.
Oi, de pakabio we musi pa kanong kabobo ka.
Niyo ka daw amitsa.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Ito no ka sometime na kanindo songon do bibado do musin uluna.
Right.
Bono musin do tatuta kami baka mela kami tumana kenan rada.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
That's for
Right,
us.
otis lagi ko in time mo.
May.
In time. What do you think will be in a woman's carry bag, handbag?
What do you think?
For grooming purpose.
Four things.
4 things.
Yes.
that are in the bag.
Lip gloss.
Right. Lip gloss or lipstick? One.
Lipstick o lip gloss.
Yeah.
Right.
Naiseru.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kaniulu.
Right.
Doti lo mana gel.
Right.
Hey! Tagdan sa royal no.
Yeah, gel.
Yeah.
Wata na ilo.
Wala ba? Dono.
Iya dono.
Dono mo binak.
Dono.
Iya.
Tao tu nang bausi, lo maning bausi tatu kira passport nita.
Okay, sarap passport.
Iya, boleh
Nakatal nga anda betul lumay ni Bausian na kan ni visa uminata. Mani banube Rosero Tabua ya rubinaka may nabuni kambi.
Isa. Ito sa
From will be ya rubinaka deme lip gloss tig bikoko.
Isambul mina Kronfel B.
Ya rubinaka musina wala balls.
Iya.
Yan ra.
Today,
Elesi tinay tukana mana roko.
Mari 7 will happen today.
Yeah.
Right.
Iya.
First day
All
today.
the best to all the teams participating, all the players,
Yeah.
coaches,
Yeah,
administration.
The women's competition will start today.
Yes,
Plus
and also the under 21.
Under 21, eh?
Right.
All the finals will be on Saturday, and under 21 the women's final plus the main team, eh?
Right.
The men's. What if that kind of bito kind of matali kuha? Abi kim nang college rara, abi kim kita nan driver bito kind of mai. O deme sinadorbo ni nambuni kandamu.
Why no
may buah.
Bulare.
Paano nila nakarabulo bito kind of dems. Napunong menangay may Wangito Ricardo Tuyani. And not living highball, kina hospital pass. Ano bingon kita sir.
Bul menaka, lama di store Pure Ocean Liquor Shop yung matintar may nandi.
Ito yan menaka.
Freddy Wise, Michael Ngango, and Tesoro.
Yan menaka, Michael.
Ito yan, Rena
Watu so
menaka.
mai. Maria kele pibon bina bi kenta kede bi irna bi time so bi kenta dat se matu kene bi timingori.